Hey, what's up everybody? It's Cody with One Purpose Trading. Like promised, we're starting our first video on our 50 video series covering the stock market from the ground up. I want to start off by laying out an awesome foundation for those that have very little to no experience in the stock market. First thing you have to understand is there's different ways to navigate the stock market. There's long-term investing, there's short-term trading, and then there's even day trading. So what I wanted to do in this video is give you guys a couple starting points of brokerages that I personally use and how I use them differently. So let's jump into it.
All right, so starting with the long-term investment platform that I chose, Betterment has been awesome for a set it and forget it type of investing approach. This is more of an automated robo-advisor style or automated investing platform. So essentially you can have it set up where you're investing weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, etc., etc. And as soon as you invest your money into this account, it's going to automatically be invested into the stock market based on your conservative or aggressive approach. So they're going to lead you with a couple questions. How conservative or aggressive do you want to be with your investments? And from there, it's going to differentiate what they invest in. So this has been great for me. Once I went full time into the self-employed realm, I had to roll my 401k into an IRA, and I started using Betterment for automated investing just so all my eggs weren't in one basket. I specifically specialize in futures and options trading, so this takes a lot of weight off my shoulders for the bulk of my capital. What I want to jump into next is E-Trade that has been acquired by Morgan Stanley. This platform has tons of features and it can overlap with Betterment, meaning this core portfolio or managed portfolios, they're going to be similar to the Betterment approach. The best way to approach it would be the fee structure. So Betterment is known for having very low fees for what they do. Again, E-Trade is very comparable, but there is one more layer to this. With E-Trade, there's other types of investment and trading opportunities. With Betterment, it's more so of a set it and forget it hands-off approach. E-Trade can be very hands-on if you choose to go that route. So I use E-Trade specifically for options trading. Going into Charles Schwab, I use Charles Schwab specifically for their charting platform. You can see right here it says Thinkorswim trading platforms. So this is what I've used since day one as far as charting and giving myself a why for getting in and out of trades. They all have their strengths and I've used these three side by side. I can also go one step further, but I'll save that for once we get into the prop firms and their platforms that they allow. I'll leave you guys with the visual of the Thinkorswim trading platform and how I personally use it for my charts, and I'll leave the links below in this video for all of these platforms. So let's jump into Thinkorswim. So as you can see here, I have custom indicators that I use to give myself a reasoning for getting in and out of trades, but I'll save this for a later video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys next time.